Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 28. Setting up your PPC strategy. In Lesson 28, you would typically learn about setting up a PPC, pay-per-click, strategy, which is crucial for running successful online advertising campaigns. Here's an overview of what you might cover. 1. Goal setting. You'll learn how to define clear, measurable goals for your PPC campaigns, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. 2. Target audience. You'll learn how to identify and understand your target audience, including their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This information is crucial for targeting your ads effectively. 3. Keyword research. You'll learn how to conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords for your ads. This involves using tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. 4. Ad copywriting. You'll learn how to write compelling ad copy that attracts clicks and converts. This includes using relevant keywords, highlighting unique selling points, and including a clear call to action, CTA. 5. Budgeting and bidding. You'll learn how to set a budget for your PPC campaigns and how to effectively bid on keywords to maximize your ROI. This includes strategies for bidding on competitive keywords and adjusting your bids based on performance. 6. Tracking and optimization. You'll learn how to track the performance of your PPC campaigns using tools like Google Analytics. You'll also learn how to analyze the data and make adjustments to optimize your campaigns for better results. 7. Campaign management. You'll learn best practices for managing your PPC campaigns, including monitoring performance, making adjustments, and testing different ad variations to improve results. By the end of Lesson 28, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up a PPC strategy and run effective online advertising campaigns to achieve your business goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.